In this video, we will see how to use the Measure app to measure objects using the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. First of all, just open the Measure app on your iPhone. Now after you open the Measure app on your iPhone, make sure that you are in the Measure section in the Measure app. Now after you open the Measure section in the Measure app, you will be able to measure objects using your iPhone. Now to measure objects, first of all, just scan the area using your iPhone. Now after you scan the area using your iPhone, now to measure the size of an object, just place the center dot at the start of the object which you want to measure. In our case, I will measure the length of the iPhone's box. So I will place this dot at the start of the box. Then tap on the plus icon. Now after you tap on the plus icon, you will mark the start of the object. Now just drag this line to the end of the object. Then tap on the plus icon to measure the size of the object. Just like that. As you can see, we have successfully measured the length of the iPhone's box. And as you can see, it is saying that the length of our iPhone's box is 17 centimeters. Just like that. And using this app, you can measure any object around you. For an example, you can also measure small objects. Now I will measure the size of this car. Now I will place the dot at the start of the car, then tap on the plus icon to mark the start of the object. Then drag your iPhone to the end of the object and tap on the plus icon. As you can see, we have measured the length of this car, and as you can see, it is saying that the length of this car is 7 centimeters. And this is how you can use the Measure app on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.